Hey everyone, Jim Boyer here, marketing manager at Wheels and Deals, and I got a really nice 2018 Chevy Malibu I'd like to share with you right now. Okay, here she is, beautiful red collar 2018 Malibu, and it does have a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine in it. It's going to get you good fuel economy. We'll go inside here in just a moment and take a look at it, walk around. Nice rims on this. So we'll continue on the rear of the car, show you right back here. It does have a rear backup camera, and that's where that is right there. And it's got actually a button underneath of here that when you press it, it opens your trunk. It's got ample space back here. Actually, you could put all of your in-laws back here. Okay, maybe you don't want to do that, so let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Tell you what, when the sun hits this, it is absolutely gorgeous, but nice rims on this car too. So let's take a look at the back seat. Okay, here's the interior. You can see it's a light tan color, two-tone on your door panels, and you do have plenty of room back here. And before we hop inside, I wanted to let you notice right here, you do have turn signals on both outside mirrors. Okay, on the interior of the car, show you your window controls. Up here, you do have power seat. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, we're actually on the inside. The car does have push button start stop right here. So let's go ahead and start that up. Show you the gauges and your LCD monitor. Let's turn the audio down, but we'll go ahead and pull back so you can actually see. It's very beautiful, beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. Let's go ahead and get a little bit closer, get the sun off of this. But as you can see, the mileage on this is only 13,268 miles. So very low mileage. On this side, controls for your cruise control. And on this side for your audio, for your Bluetooth, connects with your phone. And you do have the start stop button right there. And over here, you've got your LCD command center. Now this thing does have rear view camera, as we showed you outside. And there is your camera. And you pan down your climate control and your gear shift. Very nice trim that is around here. And go over here, open up. You got ample storage space. And let's take a look at the back. Okay, and there is the back of the car. Okay guys, so that's it. That's our view for the day with this 2018 Chevy Malibu. We've got a lot of banks eager to do some financing on these, loan the money out. So you can get in with low down payment, no down payment. Just give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you'd like to take it for a test drive, we more than welcome that. Come up, possibly just sign your name on a piece of paper and drive this thing home. So I hope you have a great day.